In this video, I'm going to show you how you can troubleshoot XM trading app. If you are experiencing any challenge with your app, maybe your app is not opening, some functions are not working, or your app crashes or it is too slow, then there are quite a number of steps you can take to fix this app. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. Alright, to fix your app, you need to access this app info page, and you can do this by going to settings on your phone. And from settings, look for apps. Then from apps, go to manage apps or all apps. This will list all the apps you have on your phone. From here, you can search for your app by name, and if you tap on it, now you can see we are on the app info page. Here, go to first for stop app to stop any background activities that might be running. Then go to clear data and choose clear cache, and okay, again clear data and clear all data. By clearing all data, you will have to log in afresh to your account. Now restart your smartphone and go to your XM app, and in most cases now this should have fixed your problem. But should the problem still persist, then go to Google Play Store or App Store and find out if we have any update. One of the reasons why your XM app is not functioning is because you are using an outdated version of this app. So update to the latest version. But should your app crash or you are facing an issue where the app stops every time you start it, for that you'll need to uninstall this app and then install it afresh. By doing so, this will clear any bugs that might be associated with your app. So let me know which of this was able to fix your issue. So thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.